with another video. I'm coming yet with another wig review. So if you can't tell by the title below, this wig is from Sensational, and they have always been my favorite. I'm ride or die for Sensational, and I always recommend them for wigs. Synthetic wigs, to be exact. So you guys, if you want to hear more about this unit, please stay tuned. Alright y'all, so this wig is of course Sensational. I love Sensational wigs. I stand by them. I always review them, and they're just fabulous. And they're out of their wigs, they always last with me at least, and I just love them. So the wig that I am reviewing today is called Laisha or Laisha. I'm gonna put it down here so you can see it. You tell me what you think it is, and it also will be in the description box down below. And the color I have on today is called Carmel Blonde Ombre. And you guys, I love this color. I would actually dye my natural hair this color. It's fabulous. I think it looks good on my skin tone. You guys let me know. I don't know. It does come with a long middle part, deep middle part. And this does say it's ear to ear lace with baby hair. And this is the baby hair that I laid. I tried to lay. I did pluck this wig over here. I will be putting up how it came out of the box. It was beautiful out of the box. I'm showing you the baby hair. I'll be showing you how the lace looked. The lace was soft lace. And of course, I'm showing you the part before I actually plucked it. And if you guys are not sure how I pluck it, I will link a video here somewhere showing you how I did it in my last video. And I also will put it in the description box down below. I will not leave that out for you guys. This unit is curl safe up to 400, but I do try and keep the heat out of it. If you don't need to add heat, if you don't want to, you know, if you want to kind of just stay away from that, I wouldn't add heat if I don't have to. If you decide, all of this lovely waveage would be gone. So this curl pattern, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if I showed it to you guys yet. Beautiful on the model. This hair is like a beach wave, water wave vibe, and it's just beautiful. And I do have like a color chart of all the other colors that it comes in. You probably can't see it, but you got ash gray ombre, ice blue ombre, bold red. They got a lot of colors. If you feel your will to be bright, do so. It will be in the description box down below on where you can get this wig. I also will be putting the cost somewhere here. If not, it is also in the description box. You guys, this wig is long. I am 5'3". This wig, the longest piece, because this hair is layered, the longest piece does come to my top of my hip, like right at my lower stomach area. And it's absolutely beautiful. It's giving me Beyonce vibes. I mean, who don't want to be Beyonce sometime? So I'm gonna just give you a side view, back, another side, and then I'm gonna bring it to the front. And you guys, just look at the ends. I'm gonna show you the ends. It's so pretty. It's the lightest tip of the hair. And I just think that this wig was well constructed. I love how it just fades into the color. Some wigs just be like black and boom, the color starts. We can't have that, okay? We can't. That's not how we roll. Not in 2020, baby. Not in 2020. So yeah, this wig does come with 2 combs in the front, and they are further out. You guys know I like it right here. I feel secure, but it is what it is. I like it still. And then it does have drawstrap string in the back, and it does have a comb in the back as well. Now this wig is a lot more snug to my head than the other wig was that I had last week, which will also be posted in the description box down below. Also, if you want to know how I pluck my wig, that's the same video. But you guys, I don't have to use a drawstring on this wig, so that's a plus. So it's actually perfect for my little big head. Little big head. Contradiction right there. But yeah, I think that's all. If I've missed anything, just let me know. It will be in the description box down below. If you guys want more of these videos, I'm trying to be a little bit more consistent. I am still in nursing school, but I'm here for you guys. And I actually forgot the biggest information about this wig. This wig was brought to me by Divatress. Again, Divatress is thebomb.com, obviously. They provide good brands, good wigs, good units, and they have everything. And the wig that I did before also came from Divatress, and they're just awesome. Like, I will link their social media down below. I will also, if you follow me on Instagram, this will be linked with them as well. I will tag them in my post, so stay tuned for that. I will link my social media here and their social media. So Divatress, thank you so much for sending this to me. It is bomb. I don't know which one I like better, but yeah. So if you guys like this, please thumb up, obviously. So yeah, thank you.